See, whether I may have case or not, when Mr. Yediyurappa was the chief minister, did not, after the, now when you are the chief minister, did he not have cases? Or we used to participate? Even I am not interested to go anywhere or anything. I think the Mysore Bar Council people had invited me. I don't want to embarrass anyone. It is not needed also. Actually, I don't want to disclose them. Some of the judges have given me invitation for their family marriages. I knew that all these issues will come. I did not attend their family weddings also. Because when I go there, they will write not before me. All these issues will be there. Now I am a deputy chief minister. Deputy chief minister. I have been attending in various courts, various court buildings in the state. They call to us in our local constituencies. We go there. I may be. I am not been pointed out. It is all a political cases. Then when Yediyurappa was there, in this government, did not have any cases. Yediyurappa's cases are with me also.
Yes.
With me also, Yediyurappa has a case. What happened to Suresh Kumar at that point of time? Did Yediyurappa not have cases? I don't want to comment on that. So many cases. He had also a dozen of cases. Did he not participate in anything with the judiciary?